Good evening, everyone. Today I want to speak to you not as a former president, not as a politician, but as a fellow citizen, as someone who believes deeply and unshakably in the power of people, in the power within you. You see, throughout history, the story of progress has never been written by the cynics. It has never been shaped by those who gave up or gave in. It was shaped by those who believed, even when the odds were against them. Think of a young man from Illinois named Abraham Lincoln, who lost more elections than he won. And yet, he led a divided nation through its greatest test. Think of Rosa Parks, who refused to give up her seat, and in that quiet act of defiance, ignited a movement. Think of a preacher from Georgia, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., who had a dream so powerful, it still echoes in the hearts of every generation that follows. These heroes weren't born extraordinary. They were ordinary people with extraordinary vision and the courage to act. And that same courage, that same power lives in each of us today. I know the world can feel uncertain. I know many of you are asking hard questions. Will I find my path? Will I be good enough? Will my voice be heard? Let me tell you this. Yes, you are good enough. Your voice matters. And your future is unwritten, which means it's yours to shape. But you can't wait for the perfect moment. You can't wait for someone to give you permission. The future doesn't belong to the timid. It belongs to those who are willing to stand up, speak out, and take a chance. You will stumble. You will fall. I've fallen many times, but each time I got back up, and so will you. Because success isn't about never failing. It's about never quitting. And when the road gets tough, and it will, remember the words that carried us through some of the darkest times in our history. Yes, we can. Yes, we can overcome fear with hope. Yes, we can replace division with unity. Yes, we can lift each other up and move forward together. Don't let anyone tell you that you're too young or too old or too different. Don't wait for someone else to lead. Be the leader. Be the change maker. Be the first or the next. America. And the world is not finished yet. We are still becoming, still growing, still rising. And it will take all of us to shape what comes next. So dream big, work hard, be kind, lift others. And never stop believing in what's possible. Not just for yourself, but for all of us. The power to shape the future is already in your hands. Use it. Thank you. God bless you. And yes, we still can.